Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is 360-degree Baking Explore. My name is Abdusalam Kabirat. If you are watching for the first time, thank you very much for stopping by to watch my video. In this video, I'm going to be making a popular snack in Nigeria known as puff puff. So in this recipe, I'll be making use of tiger nut milk, spice, flour, sugar, cinnamon, salt, and yeast. So I'm sure you won't want to miss every bit of this video. So make sure you don't go anywhere and watch till the end. Okay guys, let's get to work. So I'll sieve in my flour in a bowl. I'll add my sugar. The full recipe will be in the description section. But a little bit of salt, just a little quantity of salt. Little quantity, nutmeg or cinnamon, and of course our yeast. Make sure your yeast is active. Half teaspoon of yeast. Plus another half teaspoon of yeast. And we mix together. Then we use our tiger nut milk as our liquid to mix our puff puff. Pouring little by little. And mix. After mixing your after adding your tiger nutmeg, this is the consistency of the batter that you are going to get. So I would advise you leave it at this consistency, especially if you are making puff puff for the first time, because once it rises, it's going to become softer. Then after that, I will add just a little bit of spices to it. Just a little. I don't want it too spicy. You can add spice according to your desire. Yeah, I'll just after neatening up, guys, so you have to cover it with a nylon, preferably, or with a bowl, and allow it to rise for 1 hour. I'm going to cover this up and set it aside to rise for about 1 hour. After allowing our batter to rise for 1 hour, this is what we have. So we fry immediately. All you have to do is just to scoop it in your oil. You can see it. Scoop it in your oil. Yeah. Try and make the ball in your hand. Then scoop it in your oil. You can see the way I'm scooping it. You can lubricate your hand with water. See. Yummy! Our spicy tiger nut puff puff is ready. Guys, having this spicy tiger nut puff puff with my tiger nut milk drink recipe is heavenly. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video, and also don't forget to check out my other videos for amazing recipes. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.